Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, what I want to show you is how you can actually fill down data. So if you look over here, you can see, for example, I got a city and then I got transactions for them, and I've got various cities here. By the way, all these names were generated from a website called Fake Name Generator, and I picked a Hobbit-based theme. You know me, I love my hobbits. So this data is fine, but the problem is that if we want to run a filter on this or run a pivot off it, the names need to be repeated. So they need to be repeated there, they need to be repeated there. Every line has to be completed, has to be kind of filled in. It's no point just having blanks. And that's a bit of a pain. So the way we can kind of do that in Excel is we come over here to City. I'm just going to highlight all the way down to the bottom, down to there, down to the last one. And then I have the instructions over here. So I'm going to press F5 on the keyboard. I'm going to go down here to Special. And I'm going to choose blanks. Okay, so there's my blanks. And then I click OK. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in equals. And the equals will automatically go in under the first name up here. And then I'm going to click on A2. And then I'm just going to press Control and Enter together. And see there, that fills it in all the way down for you, okay, which is really, really handy. Now you can also do that with a thing in Fill Down in Power Query, and I've put a link to that in the blog post. But just if this is something you had to do, hopefully this will save you a bit of time. Okay, take care, mind yourself, and bye.